In this tutorial we will show you how to restore SCDC configurations, in FlexLink configuration tool. Open FCT in web browser. Localhost :8300. Open Project View. Click Projects in main menu. Open Device List View. Click icon to the left in main menu. In Device List View, click Update button. In Project View, select the project that contains stored configurations. In Configurations table, select configurations you want to restore. FCT will update SCDC via hostname. If you replace an SCDC with another SCDC with a different MAC address, select Force MAC address option. Click Restore button to complete. Close notification message when FCT have finished restoring. And now you are done. Learn more about FCT by looking at our next tutorial, teaching you how to restore configurations from File Archive.